Hello everyone, Coach Joe here, and today we have Burpee Challenge 2. Today's workout is going to focus on burpees again, and today I have for you a couple of different variations than what we did last time. So let's get into it. Take a deep breath in and out. And again. And the arms come out to the sides and float back down. Now deep breath in and out. And bend at the elbows, gather in, press down for sinking the chi. And now take one foot, step it out about shoulder width, and the arms come out in front of us and jump back down for opening the door. Nice deep breath in and out. And round those arms out in front of you like you're giving a nice big hug. And this hand will float up to the top of the chest. This hand will follow underneath for embracing the moon. Give that moon a toss, switch your hands, and catch it again. Nice deep breath in. And give that nice big hug again and sink the chi. And now we're going to start with regular burpees. So, down, out, push up, and jump. Keep breathing. Stay with me. Keep breathing. You can do it. I know you can. Let's deep breath in and out. 10 seconds. You can do it. And sink the chi. And drift side to side. Tap this heel out. And the other heel. Have the hand over the toes. And on the side. Under the elbow for strumming loop. Play the beat out. And back to center. Sink the chi. and back to regular burpees. Keep breathing. Nice deep breath in and out. Stay with me. Keep breathing. 10 seconds. You can do it. Keep breathing. Nice deep breath in and out. And sink the chi. Play the pipa. Circle your hands around, bring that toe in, step out. This hand comes up, this hand comes down. We're parting the wild horse's knee. And across to the other side. The center, sink the chi. And now jack burpees. Out, spread your feet, and feet come out, back, jump. Stay with me. Almost there. And sink the chi. Catch that moon. Part the horse's mane. Bring it in. Throw your hands back behind you. Step out. Down. Rolled mug chop swing. And organize. Cross to the other side. Chop the wood. In and out. And now pop the leg. Back to center, sink the chi. Jack burpees. Keep breathing. It's very important to keep breathing, especially when it gets difficult, because that's what's going to help you get through the exercise. Don't miss that jump. Stay with me, almost there. And sink the chin. Catch that moon. Part the mane. Bring it back. Chop the wood. Bring it back. Step out. This hand will come up, and this hand will push out. Fair lady works the shadows. Bring it back. Work the shadows. And part the mane. Across the other side. The mane. Bring it back. Chop the wood. Back. Work the shadows. Work the shadows. And now part the mane again. Back to center. Sink the chi. And now this time, we're going to do a jump out, and we're going to do a side plank. Or side plank burpees. Side plank, back, and jump. Stay with me. And if you can't do a side plank, just do regular burpees. Stay with me. Almost there. You can make it. 5 seconds. And sink the chi. Sway. Tap out the heel. Add the one hand. Add the second hand. And strum the lute. Play the peacock. Both different names for the same movement. And sink the chi. And back to side plank burpees. Stay with me. You can do it. Keep breathing. Don't lose that jump. Stay with me. You can do it. Almost there. And sink the chi. Let the bottom cross the wrists, up and over, and let's close the door. Arms fall back down by the sides. 1 foot steps in. 2 palms together and a little bow. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class.